Welcome back. Hope you're well. Grant here. And today it's going to be a random hobby pack opening. Over the weekend, I just kind of felt like getting out of the house. Went over to Baseline Sports Cards, I guess it's called. Baseline is the full name. Over there in Schaumburg, Illinois. Talked some cards and, never like to leave there empty-handed. So just got some packs. Boxes are obviously pretty pricey. Didn't really see anything. There's like XR, stuff like that, but didn't get anything but it did end up with these packs. So we'll rip these today. Before that, just a quick reminder to you, if you haven't, just sorted through your cards or looked through your cards recently. I was just sorting my stuff today, just, putting things here or there, looking through old stuff. I ripped a bunch of 2017, so sometimes I'll just make sure I don't have a Mahomes sticking around somewhere that was stuck to a card, something crazy like that. Sure enough, found a 1 of 1 today. You can see it's down here in the middle, kind of easy to miss. It looks like it's night, so I don't know if it's like a night parallel or something like that. But Cam Newton 2017, not a crazy pull, not a rookie card, just base card of a, not super premium set, but is a 1 of 1, just hiding in the old collection. So you never know what you got hiding out there sometimes. So if you haven't looked in a while, maybe go through your stuff and see if you may have missed something. All right, so I got a pack of football, mostly football, and then one basketball. 2020 certified football, 2 elite, 2020, few Donruss, and then just a status basketball. One just kind of random B-ball pack there. So maybe we'll just start with that and then go with the elite and then the Donruss and then the certified. And then we'll get out of here. So yeah, hopefully a fun rip. Just felt like opening some packs, and doing it on YouTube just makes it a little bit more fun. Hopefully get some interaction. Hopefully some people start catching these videos and commenting and seeing what they think too. So Gary Harris. I guess there's Kobe autos in these, so one of the last times you could get like a Kobe auto, one of the last sets apparently. So just a pretty basic set. Everything's got that kind of pink hue to it. There you go. Lonzo Ball, rookie, serial number. And Jordan Bell, base rookie. So we'll sleeve up the Lonzo Ball. Seems sleeve worthy to me. If I can get it there. Rookie credentials. I think he's on the box, so kind of cool. Guess we'll start there. And then move over to football. So yeah, kind of funny. Cam Newton just 1 of 1 sitting in the old stack. It's not perfect. Not that I don't know if thinking about grading it or what, but I did notice it's straight without even doing anything else. It does have a bit of an imperfection. I guess you can't really see it in the dark. With sunlight, so there's something kind of funky in the top left corner, but just keep it in the old PC and that'll be that. This pack doesn't want to open at all. So maybe there's something extra good in this pack. That's usually how it works. Alright, 2020 Elite. Let's roll. Nick Chubb. Camaro. Chris Godwin. Gurley. Okay, Kid Reporter. Nothing crazy there. Start a football pile. So anyway, so I got these packs today. I noticed CardCollector2 was selling some hot packs. I follow him on Instagram and stuff, so got 4 of his hot packs that he came out with today. Got 4 of those, so I'll make a video out of that here soon enough. So pretty pumped for that. There you go. My first Joe Burrow card, believe it or not, in the old LSU uniform, but yeah, I haven't had a chance to rip much 2020, so believe it or not, that's the first Burrow. So you guys been ripping stuff, or buying anything? Or I wonder what people have been doing lately to get cards, collecting, kind of just sitting tight. Let me know. So all right, so yeah, 3 packs of Donruss Hobby. Nice. Julius Peppers, Peyton, Tre'Davious White, I pull a lot of Mike Williams, a lot of his cards. Looks like there's something, Dominators of DK Metcalf. Cool. That is pretty sweet. I've been searching up his cards recently. He's just awesome. That play where he ran down the guy who intercepted it, that was just amazing. So, and a Kyler, so pretty sweet. Nice pack there. This pack is a pretty thick boy, so maybe that will be good. Gonna rip it like that. Will Fuller, Ridley, Barry, Zeke, bummer there on a filler. Kenny Clark press proof. James Morgan. Okay. Tyreek. Some more base. Alright, so hopefully there's something in this last pack of Donruss or the certified. Just felt like you ever just, you're at the hobby shop, you just don't want to leave empty-handed, and so getting a few packs is kind of a decent, happy middle ground there. Not breaking the bank, but having a little fun rip. So Keyshawn Vaughn, Jake Fromm, insert there, Tyreek, Jalen Johnson, and a Devin Bush. Not a lot there. All right, here's our last pack. That has to be hopefully another Kamara. Marlon Mack. So we do have something here on the back. Oh, that's a cool card. J.K. Dobbins, 2020. Looks like he'll get a chance to play a little more if Mark Ingram's hurt. So, all right, let's see if this is anything here. So, okay, Michael Thomas, player worn, Oh wow. Fabric of the game, $2.99. So, okay. Thought that was actually the whole little Saints there, but this is actually just the card. So, still pretty cool. All right. So anyway, so there's a quick random howdy pack. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you thought below. Take it easy. Bye.